welcome back to Retro Car Dogs. Today I've got a ripper for you. E30, and it belongs to our mate Mo, short for Mohammed. Okay, Mo is his car. This man is hooked up. You guys want BMW stuff, Mo is going to tell you all about it. But remember, see the badge, Retro Car Dogs, Retro Car Dogs. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like. Mo is going to tell you on his jacket he's got car candy ink, and he's going to tell you all about it. Mo, welcome, and thanks very much for bringing out this beautiful car of yours. Mo is going to tell you a little bit about his car and a little bit about himself. Mo, shoot, tell us all about this beautiful beast.
Thanks so much, guys. Thank you. So it's quite simple. It's a 92 318i MEX, and what makes it a slightly special, it comes out original with the leather sports seats, the manual transmission and the sunroof. Only other additions to it is the Alpina 16-inch wheels. But yeah, besides that, quite a stock original car.
And you've put a little bit of a suspension kit in it that you supply?
Yeah.
What is it called?
So it's the Enforce 40mm drop springs. And yeah, small additions, Alpine head unit. That's really
the little touches, the little
small
things that finish it,
exactly.
that sort of thing.
Exactly.
You said to me this little badge, which is very nice. How long did it take you to find that?
Sure. Like 3 years just to get that badge.
3 years, 3 years. What is the color of the car?
Polaris silver.
Polaris silver. So the difference on this one being a later 90 model, early 90 model, is it doesn't have the chrome, it has the color coded bumpers back and front. The plastic bumpers, it doesn't have the chrome. So that's obviously 80s, the chrome bumper, that kind of thing. Okay, so it's a stock, so it's an M40 motor? M40 motor. This car is unbelievable. We're going to do a little walk around. Mo's going to walk you through the interior of the car, under the bonnet. It's really nice. Mo, tell us. So what I'm going to do is ask Mo now, what do you do? What's your business?
So yeah, we call Car Candy Inc. We're around 4 to 5 years now. The core of the business is we specialize in E30 accessories. So like your original aftermarket accessories. We've supplied many oaks around the country. Classic car sales, we've done quite well with these. To date, we've sold about 75 of these around the country. And yeah, that's what we do. We source. It's basically looking after this car community. You know, the values are high on these things. Guys are really want them to be in tip-top condition, and that's where we come in and we supply all the parts.
So you do OEM. As well as if you can't get OEM, you'll do the Pirate or the aftermarket part.
It's really up to the client.
And I got to tell you, aftermarket, and I've seen some of the badges that Mo has just got us a badge hooked up in another video here for the E28, and I can't tell the difference. I really can't tell the difference. So guys, for me, for Mo's helped us, mud flaps, many things on the E28s. Mo's been out there, he's been tremendous. Got to give him a shout out to his business and to what he does. If you guys want to hook up your BMs, you've got to be talking to Mo. It's going to be in our contacts below. You'll see it, or above. It depends where our cameraman's going to put it. And you'll be able to hook up with Mo. Mo's going to help you out. So what I'm going to do is ask Mo. Sorry, how long have you had the car, Mo?
I think this is my 5 years.
5 years.
5 years.
And what makes the 318 so nice?
I think I said it to you guys when I met you. I've been lucky enough to own 17 of these.
Sure. It's a lot of them.
A lot of them, yeah, over the years, and it's the only 318 that I've owned. But it's been the best, you know. Fuel-wise, maintenance, consistency. I can't compare it to the 325s. Yes, the 325s, you know, we love them for the sound, the power, but I think in the time we live in, with the current fuel issue, happy days.
Happy days.
Happy days.
Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to take a walk around, let Mo pop the bonnet, go through the interior of the car, have a look, and I hope you enjoy it. Guys, what's really special and what really makes this car nice, besides it being an MEX and besides it being a 318, and I've got to tell you, we're stoked about it being a 318 because so many guys are doing 3 to 5s, 3 to 3 E30s. You know what? It can sometimes be too much. How often do you see 318s and in this condition? Have a look, M40 motor, look at the condition under this bonnet of this engine. So Mo put this in because Mo likes this. It's just Mo's little touch and spin on what he digs. It's his car, personalized, love it. So have a look at the condition under here. It's absolutely pristine, really unbelievable. What a lovely, lovely interior. This motor, lovely car. So let's walk on back here, and no, before we do that, focus down on the Alpinas. Look at this. These are absolutely awesome, stunning. With his kit that he puts in, he supplies, Mo supplies this 40mm drop kit. Guys, you want to get this kit, you talk to Mo. Okay, lows it down just right height, clears the speed bumps. It's not going to be a mission to drive. Let's move on down here to the back, where I'll pop the boot and you're going to have a look and see how original this car is in terms of the boot. Okay, what you love, have a look there. Car Candy Inc. Mo's business. Guys, remember, hook it up with Mo. Love the BM. Little push, gentle, pop open so gently. Look at that. Let's open this toolbox and have a look and see. I think Mo said this is all complete. Have a look at that. The little cloth, the Alpina there, full tool kit, looks basically unused. How immaculate is that with a little toolkit? That's really lovely. Pop her back in there, just close her up. So nice. Okay, and have a look inside this boot, guys. Got to appreciate in this boot, it is totally original. Love the little BMW sign there, BMW bag, the JSN BMW car kit, original from West Germany, first aid kit. Got some background noise going on, and have a look, original jack over there. I'm going to pop open and show you the spare wheel. So often it's a steel wheel. Okay, what you're going to find here, which is really awesome, he's got an Alpina spare. How crazy is this? Look at the condition. There is no rust, no damage. This looks like it just rolled out of the factory. This car is unbelievable. So what we're going to do, close this. Another thing, lovely. Look at the little lip on it, the Alpina badge again. A lot of care given by Mo to his car. Love the community, love these guys. Lovely little tail piece on it. Gentle, just little down, and she's closed. Okay. Love the little chrome tail piece on the exhaust. Fantastic. So let's move on around here and have a look. Sunroof really making this car a little special, a little beauty. I'm going to jump in here and open up and sit inside, and you'll see. Before I do that, look at the seats, look at this interior. Beautiful, beautiful interior, lovely seats, showing a little sign of age, which is so cool. It's so clever. It's just what you want. So if I come on around here and I get in, this is what you got to love about these cars. Just pop in backwards so you don't wear it out. Put the legs in like this, and everything is right here. And what I love, and what made me fall in love with BMWs, besides my early ones, I feel as though I'm in a World War II Spitfire aeroplane in the Second World War, and I'm going to shoot rockets and guns and things that are going to come out of these cars. They're built to look like they race. They're built to just be unreal. Beautiful little wooden gear knob here. I love what he's done with the steering wheel, which I know is not original spec. It's Mo's sort of choice and taste, and that's what these cars are about. Your personal taste. Little carpet here. Mo dash is not cracked. It's in immaculate condition. Mo supplies these as well. Protects the dash. There's no cracks in here, but again, another lovely accessory. Get hold of Mo. Mo will help you out with these. Beautiful, lovely. What I loved about these cars, they always had beautiful gear changes. It's just really a nice place to be. Lovely little touch with the sunroof here. Obviously your buttons here just to open and close your sunroof. Alpina radio in it. This is such a nice car. Just the seating position is just so involved. You're just so part of this whole space. You feel as though you just have to put your crash helmet on now, and you've got your parachute on, and you're going to go to war. This is so nice. Electric, typical BMW, or electric windows are over here. Okay. All very, very nice. A gear lock, which unfortunately we in South Africa, for our international viewers, they like to steal these cars. Gear lock on it so that it locks the gear so you don't steal it. But very, very nice. This car is absolutely immaculate. It's really, look at the door cards. I mean, this is totally original. Look at this, unbelievable. The quality and the finish. Credit to Mo. Mo's done an outstanding job on a car that's of a high value, and it's just really immaculate condition. And you're really going to enjoy this car. We're going to get Mo to do a little drive in it so we can get a little drive shot. A lot of the guys like Mo and ourselves, we don't take these cars out too much on the roads. Don't want them to be stolen, but for many years this was a daily driver for Mo, and you can just see it's appreciated. Nothing's worn out, nothing's abused. It's in really good condition. Let's pop in the back, because the only thing is, you've got to remember, when they brought out the 3 Series, it wasn't aimed at the family, it was aimed at the young guy with a girlfriend maybe, or with a spouse or somebody like that, and maybe 1 or 2 little kids. So the back space is a little limited, but hey, if you're not big like me, you can get in, you're fine. So look at the interior at the back here. It's unreal. Again, I'm just going to pop in and sit, and I'm in. So yeah, I've got space. I can sit. The seat is lovely. It's comfortable. The lovely little headrest at the back here. I love the little handles over here. Again, German quality. It's just so nice. There's no rust on this car anywhere. The back panels are the same condition as the front. I mean, these things get butchered and speakers cut in, and there's a little button through windows. I've got enough space here. The carpets are in lovely condition. Really nice car. So this is really nice. It looks like it's got a slight tint on the windows, which just gives it a little class to it. I think just also from the hot South African Johannesburg sun. Very nice. I love it. A little bit of, as you can see here, that's just from age and a bit of sun, but still in perfect condition. Really, folks, you don't get to see a car like this every day. And I gotta say, special thanks to Mo. Special shout out for his business. You guys wanting stuff, talk to Mo. So if you don't know, talk to us, we'll link you up to Mo. What a car. Hope you're enjoying it. Don't forget, you've got to like, subscribe, share, hit your notification bells, catch us on Instagram, catch us on TikTok, and you'll see where you can get hold of Mo. So thanks guys, watch out for the next video.